Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can send photos and videos in WhatsApp in document format using iPhone. So let's dive in. First thing you can do is go ahead to your WhatsApp, and usually you can send a photo easily just by dragging and dropping from the options. Now, if you want to send it in document format, you can do it. It's just as easy, and you want to click on the plus button and you want to click on document. Now, if you want to send a photo, first you have to go ahead and save it to files. And after you save it to files, you can go ahead and send it from there. So what you need to do is to go to your gallery, and we are going to go ahead and use this image, and you want to click save to files. Click on save to files, and you want to click save. Now the next thing you want to do is to head on to your files and refresh the page. And after you do that, you can see that our image has been loaded in files. Now you can head on back to WhatsApp and send your image from there. So you just head on, click on the plus button again, click on document, click on browse, and you can see our most recent image, and you click send. And it has been sent in document format. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.